Hello everyone. We will continue learning about factors. So what do we already know for today's lesson? We know about prime factors. Prime factors are the smallest numbers a bigger number can be divided into. When we multiply all the prime factors, we get back the original number. We have learned how to find prime factors. And what are the things we have used? We have used the number tree and we have also used the division rule. If you cannot remember how to find out prime factors, please watch the video on prime factors which I will share. Before we go on to find the factors of a number, let us quickly revise how we find the prime factors. We will take the example of the number 40. So what are the prime factors of 40? We find it out by the division rule. 40, the last digit is 0, which means it is divisible by 2. We start dividing by the smallest number and we get the answer as 20. 20 is divisible by 2. We divide it by 2 and the answer is 10. 10 is divisible by 2. We divide it and the answer is 5. Now 5 is itself a prime number. It is only divisible by 1 and 5 itself. We divide it by 5 and we get 1. We can also do this by using the number tree. We have 40, which we divide by 2 and get 20. 20 we divide by 2 and we get 10. 10 we divide by 2 and we get 5. You can use any of these methods to find out the prime factors of a number. So the prime factors of 40 are 2, 2, 2 and 5. 40 is divisible by 2 and 5, and if we multiply all the prime factors of 40, we also get the number 40. So this is how we find the prime factors of a number. Next, we will look at the baker problem, which we did in one of our previous classes. The baker. Alice baked 40 cookies to sell. She asked her mother how to pack them. Her mother told her to make as many packets as she could with 40 cookies, but the number of cookies in every packet must be the same. The price can then be the same for all packets. Can you help Alice make packets? How many cookies will you ask Alice to put in each packet? Remember, number of cookies in every packet must be same. So when I gave you this problem, all of you came back with numbers. These are how you said you are going to divide the cookies into packets. You can put 2 cookies in 20 packets or 20 cookies in 2 packets, 5 cookies in 8 packets, 8 cookies in 5 packets, 4 cookies in 10 packets, 10 cookies in 4 packets, 1 cookie in 40 packet or 40 cookies in 1 packet. So these numbers all of you gave me when we were having our class and I wrote them down. So what did we do in our class? We divided 40 into smaller numbers. After division, there were no cookie left. That means there were no remainders. And these small numbers are called factors. So 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, these are all factors of 40. But how did you find the factors of 40 in the baker problem? As I asked you in the class, all of you said that you guessed the numbers. So today we are going to learn how we find the factors of a number without guessing. The prime factors versus factors. The prime factors of 40 are 2, 2, 2 and 5. But if you look at the factors of 40, these are 2, 4, 5, 8, 10 and 20. What do you see? Can you relate to the numbers? Can you find out what is common? Can you find out what is the difference? Today's objective in class. We will be able to know about factors and how to find the factors of a number. A number is always divisible by all its factors. And divisible means the remainder is 0 when we divide a number by its factor. Why are we learning this? Factors help us in dividing and grouping everyday numbers. Next, we will look at how to find factors. We will take the example of the number 132. So what are the steps we do to find out the factors of 132? First, we will find the prime factors. Again, to find the prime factors, you can use the normal division or you can use the number tree, whichever is easy for you. Let us find the prime factors of 132. 132, the last digit is 2, so it is divisible by 2. We start dividing it by 2 and we keep on dividing till we get the remainder as 1. So what are the prime factors of 132? They are 2, 2, 3 and 11. So this is the first step towards finding the factors of a number. Second step, we are going to group and multiply all the prime factors that we have found. First, 2, 3 and 11. These are the prime factors of 132. So these are also the factors of 132. We write down 2, 3 and 11. After that, we multiply any two prime factors and we will keep on multiplying them in all possible combinations. Let us see how we are doing this. First, we pick up the number 2 and multiply it with all other prime factors. 2 into 2, 4, 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 11, 22. So 4, 6 and 22 are also factors of 132. What is the next number we will pick? 2. But we have already multiplied the other numbers by 2. We would get the same answer. So we don't have to do it again. The next number is 3. We will multiply it with 11 and we get 33. 3 we have already multiplied with all other numbers, so we don't have to do it again. Then finally we have the number 11. But we have multiplied 11 with all the other numbers, so we don't have to do it again. After this, we will multiply all combinations of 3 prime factors. How are we going to do this? We multiply 2, 2 and 3 and we get 12. After that, we multiply 2, 2 and 11. We get 44. After that, 2, 3 and 11 and we get 66. Have we covered all the numbers? You can check and see if all the numbers have been covered. Yes, we have. So the factors of 132 are, we will also write 1 because all numbers are divisible by 1, and we will also write 132 because all numbers are divisible by itself. Then we will write down all the numbers that we have found in this second step. So all the numbers in red are the factors of 132. So this is how we do the problem. Next, this is something for you to practice. You are going to find the factors of 150. Remember the steps we have to use to find the factors of 150? First, you will find out all the prime factors of 150. After you have found the prime factors, you will multiply them in all possible combinations to get the factors of 150. So let us start with the first step. We will do this in the next 5 minutes. You can pause your video as you are working on the problem. After you have finished, you can come back and start watching again. So, did you find the prime factors of 150? We start dividing 150 by 2, which is the smallest number. And we keep on dividing till we get the answer as 1. So what are the prime factors of 150? 2, 3, 5 and 5. So these are the prime factors of 150 and that is the first step done. Second step, we are going to group and multiply all the prime factors. What are the first things we are going to write? Which are the factors of 150? All the prime factors are also factors of 150. We write them down 2, 3 and 5. Remember, if a number repeats more than once, we write it only one time. So, we do not write 5 and 5. We can write 5 only once. So, 2, 3 and 5 are the first factors of 150. What do we do next? We start multiplying two numbers to get the next set of factors. 2 multiplied by 3, 6. 2 multiplied by 5, 10. 3 multiplied by 5, 15. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. Are there any other numbers left? No, we have multiplied all the two possible combinations. After that, what are we going to do? We are going to multiply three possible combinations. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5, 30. 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5, 50. 3, 5, 5, 75. So what are the factors of 150? We always put 1 and the number itself as the factors, as we already know. Then all the numbers that we have found in red, these are the factors of 150. So this is how we find the factors of a number. First, we find out the prime factors. After that, we multiply the prime factors in all possible combinations to find out the factors. We will do more practice on this. This is an assessment that you have to give after watching this video. Finally, after you have given your test, this is an activity you have to complete today. You will read the question, try to understand what is happening, and try to find out the answer in the best way you can think of. You will bring your answer to class tomorrow, where we will discuss and see how to do this. Please complete this before coming to class tomorrow. You will write down your answers in this box.